In this video, I'll show you how to capitalize all letters in Google Docs. If you typed something in lowercase or normal sentence case and want to change everything to capital letters, Google Docs has a built-in formatting option for that. Google's official help says you can select your text, open the Format menu, go to Text, then Capitalization, and choose Uppercase. Let's go step by step. First, open your Google Docs document and highlight the word, sentence, paragraph, or section you want to change. This part matters because Google Docs only changes the text you select. If you want to capitalize the whole document, you need to select all of it first. After that, go to the top menu and click Format, then move to Text, then Capitalization, and click Uppercase. As soon as you do that, all the selected letters will change to capitals. For example, if your text says, "This is my title," and you apply uppercase, it will become, "This is my title." Google Docs also gives you other capitalization choices in the same menu, including lowercase and title case. So that same menu is useful anytime you want to change the look of your text without retyping it. Now, a lot of people look for a keyboard shortcut to do this instantly, but Google Docs currently does not have a built-in shortcut just for converting selected text to uppercase. Google Docs community replies point out that there isn't a native capitalization shortcut for that function right now. So the normal method is still using the Format, Text, and Capitalization menu. There is also a different feature called automatic capitalization. Google's Preferences help shows that under Tools, then Preferences, you can turn automatically capitalized words on or off. That setting affects typing behavior, but it is not the same as converting existing text to all caps after you already typed it. So the simple process is this. Select your text, click Format, go to Text, then Capitalization, and choose Uppercase. That's the fastest built-in way to capitalize all letters in Google Docs. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.